Mastering English. Understanding Top 3. Hello, English enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a commonly used English phrase, Top 3. Whether you've encountered this in a book, during a conversation, or while browsing the internet, understanding what this phrase means can be incredibly helpful in both comprehension and communication. So, let's dive in and discover what Top 3 really entails. When we talk about the top 3, we're referring to the 3 best, most important, or most successful items in a particular list or group. This could apply to people, places, things, or even ideas. The word top signifies a position of superiority or higher rank, while the number 3 limits this selection to a trio of items. Examples in context. Competitions. The top 3 contestants will move on to the finals. Product rankings. These are the top 3 smartphones on the market right now. Preferences. Pizza, burgers, and ice cream are my top 3 favorite foods. Understanding this phrase is crucial because it not only helps you identify what is considered best or most important but also communicates your own preferences or evaluations in English. To fully grasp the phrase, let's see it in action within various sentences. This will give you a feel for how to use it yourself when speaking or writing in English. Identifying excellence. She is among the top 3 students in her class. Making recommendations. If you're visiting Paris, the top 3 places you must see are the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre, and Notre Dame Cathedral. Expressing opinions. In my opinion, the top 3 most influential writers of the 20th century are Hemingway, Orwell, and Woolf. Notice how the phrase, top 3, can effortlessly fit into different topics, showcasing its versatility in the English language. It's also useful to know some variations of the phrase, top 3, which can be used interchangeably depending on the context. Top trio. 3 best. Leading trio. 3 top picks. Each of these variations can add a bit of diversity to your speech or writing while conveying the same meaning. Congratulations on adding another phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, recognizing and using phrases like top 3 will not only enhance your communication skills but also enrich your understanding of the language. I hope this video has been informative and engaging. Keep practicing, and you'll be a master of English expressions in no time. Goodbye for now, and happy learning!